In this video, I'll show you how to link your Etsy shop on Instagram. First, open the Etsy website or app and go to your shop page. Copy the URL of your Etsy shop. You can do this by opening your shop and copying the link from the address bar or using the share option. This link is what you'll add to your Instagram profile so people can easily visit your shop. Next, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap Edit Profile at the top of the screen. In the profile settings, you'll see a field labeled Website. Paste your Etsy shop link into the website field. Make sure the link is correct so visitors are taken directly to your shop. Once the link is added, tap Done or Save to update your profile. Now anyone who visits your Instagram profile will see the link and can tap it to go straight to your Etsy shop. This is a simple way to drive traffic from Instagram to your Etsy listings. You can also mention your shop link in posts, reels, or stories to encourage more people to visit your Etsy store. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.